Exercise 1.5 question number 2. Construct the switching circuit of following. Switching circuit construct करायचे आपल्याला. First example is negation P conjunction Q disjunction P conjunction negation R. Here P Q are three statements. Therefore P the switch S1 is closed, Q the switch S2 is closed, and R the switch S3 is closed. And these negations, here negation P and negation are required. Therefore negation P is the switch S1 dash is closed or open. P S1 closed, then negation P S1 dash is closed or open. Again negation R, the switch S3 dash is closed or open. This is, and L means lamp on. And now switching circuit, here negation P means S1 dash, negation P. Conjunction means series, therefore here series. Q means S2 switch, and this is parallel. Disjunction means parallel. S1 P means S1. Conjunction means series. Here S3 dash, negation R means S3 dash. This is parallel. Therefore this switching circuit here and this switching circuit here, both are parallel. Therefore which is parallel, and here current pass plus minus, and battery, here lamp, current passing through this way. Therefore this is the switching circuit here, first example. Then next is second example. Now second example, P conjunction Q disjunction negation P conjunction negation Q disjunction P disjunction R. Here P Q are three statements required, and negation P and negation Q is required. Therefore here negation R replaced by negation Q, and here S2 dash, negation means S2 dash. Therefore this is P Q are required here, and negation P negation Q required here. Therefore this is the switching circuit. Now P conjunction Q, this bracket construct first. Conjunction means series. P means S1 and Q means S2. These two switches in series, then which is parallel. Therefore here parallel. Negation P means S1 dash, negation P means S1 dash. Conjunction means series. Here negation Q means S2 dash, which is parallel to, here P means S1, and again which is parallel to S3. R means S3. These three switches parallel to each other, therefore S2 dash, then S1 and S3, which three switches are parallel here, and this switch series in S1 dash, and current here flow. Therefore lamp is on here. This is the switching circuit. S1 S2 in series, therefore S1 S2, this is circuit, and which is parallel to this all circuits. Therefore negation P means S1 dash, which is series to all these circuit. Therefore this is the S2 dash. Disjunction means parallel. P means S1 and R means S3. These three switches in parallel, and which is in series S1 dash. Therefore this is the switching circuit. Here battery and lamp, current flow here through this here. Therefore this is the switching circuit. Second example. In third example is P conjunction R, disjunction negation Q conjunction negation R conjunction negation P conjunction negation R. Here P, Q are three statements and negation P, negation Q and negation R also required. Therefore here negation R means the switch S3 dash is closed or open. Therefore, switching circuit means P conjunction R. P means S1 and R means S3. Conjunction means is series which is parallel to here. Negation P means S2 dash and negation R series. Conjunction means negation R means S3 dash. Then which is again series. This negation P means S1 dash and conjunction means series, negation R means S3 dash. Therefore this is the switch and current is flow here, battery and lamp. Current flow here through here lamp. Therefore this is the switching circuit construct here. Now fourth example is P conjunction negation Q conjunction R disjunction P conjunction negation Q disjunction negation R. Therefore construct the table. Therefore PQR here three statements. Therefore PQR for P S1 switch is closed. For Q S2 switch is closed and for R the S3 switch is closed. And require here negation Q and negation R. Therefore negation Q means the switch S2 dash is closed or open and negation R the switch S3 dash is closed or open and L means lamp is on. Therefore here switching circuit construct firstly. Therefore this bracket construct P means S1. P means S1 which is series means S2 dash negation Q means and which is also series S3. Therefore three switches are in series and this is parallel to. Therefore disjunction means parallel which is parallel to. Here P means S1 which is series S2 dash negation Q means which is parallel to. Disjunction means parallel to S3 dash and this is the circuit. Here current is flow, battery, here lamp, current passing through this circuit to here lamp. Therefore this is the switching circuit construct here. Next example is fifth example is P disjunction negation P disjunction negation Q disjunction P conjunction Q. Here P Q are two statements. Therefore PQ the P for the switch S1 is closed and Q the switch S2 is closed. Then negation P means S1 dash is closed or open and Q means negation Q is S2 dash is closed or open and L means lamp is on. Therefore this is the switching circuit construct firstly. P means S1. P means S1 switch. Disjunction means parallel. Here negation P means S1 dash which is parallel. Again parallel. Disjunction means parallel. S2 dash negation Q means and again parallel. Here P means S1 and conjunction means series. Q means S2. Therefore this is the switching circuit here complete and here current is flow and lamp is on. Therefore lamp is here, current is flowing to here. This is the switching circuit. And next example is next sixth example. P conjunction Q, P conjunction Q, disjunction negation P, disjunction P, conjunction negation Q, P conjunction negation Q. This is the example. Therefore, here PQ two statements and negation P negation Q statements. Therefore, PQ for S1 switch P1 and S2 switch for Q. Therefore, negation P means S1 dash is closed or open, and negation Q means the switch S2 dash closed or open, and L means lamp is on. Then switching circuit construct. Firstly here firstly this bracket P conjunction Q means S1 conjunction means series, Q means S2. This is two switches. Then bracket complete, which is disjunction parallel. Disjunction means parallel. Here negation P means S1 dash. Again parallel this switch. P means S1. Conjunction means series. Here negation Q means S2 dash. Therefore here circuit and current is flow, battery, here lamp, current passing through here to here. This is the switching circuit, and question number 2 is complete here. Next is third question. Exercise 1.5, third question. Given an alternative equivalent simple circuit for the following circuit. First example, here circuit given S1 in series, S1 dash parallel to S2. Therefore, this is the switches. Therefore, here let P statement, the switch S1 is closed. For S1 switch, then S1 dash means negation P, the switch S1 dash is closed or open. Then S2 means Q, the switch S2 is closed. Therefore, these three circuits here, and L means lamp is on. Therefore, symbolic form here, S1 means P, conjunction in series, therefore conjunction. Here S1 means negation P, parallel to means disjunction, S2 means Q. Therefore, which is the symbolic form. Then simplify here this symbolic form by distributive law. P conjunction negation P, disjunction P conjunction Q. Here distributive law, P conjunction negation P, disjunction P conjunction Q, distributive law. Then P conjunction negation P means F by complement law. By complement law. Then again F conjunction with F disjunction with this statement. Therefore this statement is here. दोघातलं जे मोठं असेल ते येतं, कारण डिस्जंक्शन आहे. मग F पेक्षा ही स्टेटमेंटची व्हॅल्यू मोठी असते, म्हणून P conjunction Q येईल, which is called identity law. Therefore this is a simplified circuit. Then switching circuit is simple switching circuit is Here P means S1 and conjunction means series, Q means S2. Therefore, two switches in series, here battery and lamp. Therefore, this is the simplified circuit, simple circuit. This circuit is simplified by using rules, and this is the simple circuit here construct. In question number 3, second example, S1 in series, S2 parallel to S3, and this switching circuit is parallel to S3 dash in series, S2 dash in series S1. Therefore, here S1, S2, S3, three switches, and S2 dash and S3 dash. This is two switches. Therefore, PQR S1, then P statement, S2 for Q statement, and S3 for R statement. And S2 dash and S3 dash means S2 dash is negation Q here, and S3 dash for negation R here, and lamp is on. Then symbolic form here constructively first. Symbolic form here first. Here S1 means P conjunction series, therefore conjunction. Here S2 S3 means Q parallel S3 means R. S2 means Q, parallel means disjunction, S3 means R. This circuit is parallel to means disjunction, S3 dash means negation R, parallel means series means conjunction, S2 means negation Q, conjunction series means S1 means P. This circuit is parallel to this circuit, therefore which is a symbolic form, and this is simplified by using law. Therefore here P conjunction Q disjunction R as it is disjunction. Here negation Q disjunction R by De Morgan's law. Here negation is common and Q conjunction R. Then by this De Morgan's law, this is separate, and conjunction P as it is, which is De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law इथं वापरलेला आहे, बिकॉज जर निगेशन तुम्ही बाहेर काढलं तर ब्रॅकेट म्हणजे कंजक्शनच्या ऐवजी डिसजंक्शन येतं, डिसजंक्शनच्या ऐवजी कंजक्शन येतं, which is called De Morgan's law. Then again here commutative law use. Next step, this statement as it is, P conjunction Q disjunction R as it is disjunction. Here commutative law, therefore P conjunction negation Q disjunction R, which is commutative law. कम्युटेटिव्ह लॉ वापरला, पी पुढे घेतला आणि हे स्टेटमेंट मागे घेतलं, विच इज कम्युटेटिव्ह लॉ. देन अगेन हियर पी कंजक्शन कॉमन, डिस्ट्रीब्युटिव्ह लॉ यूज हियर. therefore Q disjunction R, this bracket disjunction in bracket negation Q disjunction R, this bracket as it is. Therefore P conjunction common, and here disjunction, distributive law वापरला. P as it is conjunction, हे ते स्टेटमेंट आणि त्याचं निगेशन आहे आणि मध्ये डिसजंक्शन आहे. जर ते आणि त्याचं निगेशन आणि डिसजंक्शन असेल तर ती व्हॅल्यू टी येते बाय कॉम्प्लिमेंट लॉ. पी डिसजंक्शन निगेशन पी जसं टी असतं तसंच तो ब्रॅकेट आणि त्याचं निगेशन आहे, मध्ये डिसजंक्शन आहे. जर डिसजंक्शन असेल तर टी येतं आणि कंजक्शन असेल तर एफ येतं. तर यामध्ये टी येईल बाय कॉम्प्लिमेंट लॉ. आणि इथं तो आणि त्याचं ह्या दोघांमध्ये पी ही व्हॅल्यू आहे, लहान व्हॅल्यू आपण दोघातली बाहेर काढतो, टी सगळ्यात मोठी व्हॅल्यू असते. देन स्टेटमेंटची व्हॅल्यू इथं येईल, विच इज आयडेंटिटी लॉ. आणि मग हे सिम्प्लिफाय सर्किट झालं. तर इथं सिम्प्लिफाय झालं हे सिम्बॉलिक फॉर्म. आता सिंपल सर्किट आपण ह्याचं कन्स्ट्रक्ट करणार आहे. तर फक्त पी स्टेटमेंट राहिलेलं आहे. देअरफॉर S1 स्विच फॉर P1, पी साठी S1 स्विच आपण कन्सिडर केलेला आहे and lamp is on. Therefore this is the simple circuit construct here. Therefore this is circuit, then symbolic form convert, and by using laws therefore simplify here this, and P is a simple circuit construct here. Therefore this is the simplify circuit. Question number 3 is complete here. Next is question number 4.